Knowing how to clear your mask underwater will save your dives and help you see the underwater world. Let's learn how you can become a master of this skill quickly. Keep breathing calmly. When you're ready, gently break the seal on the top of your mask. Go slow. A small amount of water will enter the mask. Before the water gets to your eyes, let go of the mask and let it seal back to your face. Press down on the top frame of the mask and look down to the ground. Breathe in. Now look up to the sky and exhale through your nose. You can see how the water easily escapes through the bottom of the mask. Let go of the mask and resume normal breathing.